Morning students of class 8. So today we will be doing only me and mine. I am going to give you 2 pages. You have worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 to do both sides, that is page 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, these 2 worksheets you will do for homework. That's the only simple homework today I am giving you. Please be careful, write to the point, do not beat about the bush, come straight to the point, and especially in the second page of each worksheet, you have to write answers in full sentences. So please be careful how you write your full sentences. Your grammar also is very, very important there. There we will be able to see what grammar you understand and how you are able to apply what you have learned so far. In the first page of the worksheet is very easy, just choosing one option. Yes, it's like an MCQ, choosing one option, and you only have to write the answer there. It's very, very simple. Problem comes in the second page of each worksheet. So do it well. Okay, date I'm going to mention. Submission date I'm going to mention. So do your work nicely. Okay. Today we will do unseen passages, worksheet 1. Okay, worksheet 1. The first one is about Ayurveda. You will read these 2 paragraphs and answer these questions. Like I'm sure you have done last year. Read the paragraph thoroughly and answer the questions. Choose your answer, which one will be your answer, and write the answer here. I want to see the answer written here in the blank space mentioned here. Okay, so this is, there are 5 questions here. Read this text and do this. Okay, this is the first page of page 5, worksheet 1. This is one page that you will do. I am giving you more. 6 is, this is a poem. Read the poem carefully. Which loved best? Read the poem carefully and answer these questions. Okay, keep your answers short, but then at the same time you will have to write full sentence answers. And if your space is less here, you can continue your answers here. Draw a star mark or something here and continue your answers here. That is worksheet 1. Okay, worksheet 1, both sides you will do. Now coming to worksheet 2. 2, marijuana. Again same thing here, you read the paragraph and answer these questions. Remember, this is an unseen passage, this is comprehension. So you will read these 3 passages here and answer these questions. In the same way, you will do worksheet 1. You must write the answer here. Okay? 2, second page, page 8. The 7 ages of man. You will read the poem. This is again a poem and answer these questions. Again, if space is less, write your answers here. If the space, start writing here. If the space is less, continue here. Mention the answer number also here. Okay, it's a very, very simple poem. I am sure you can do it yourself. Okay, that's all for your homework today. Please do this homework. Okay, bye.